Hello and welcome to another Windows 7 tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at tips and tricks again. So the first thing I want to show you today is how to enable God mode, or the so-called God mode in Windows 7. But what it actually is just a massive list of all the options that you would get in your control panel. So it's a lot easier to navigate because it's all put into their own sort of titles and arranged in a more easier to see way than actually navigating control panel. And apparently this is actually available in other versions of Windows as well. So it's not so crazy and new, but it's kind of like a really useful tool just for being able to see all the different options that are available to you via the control panel in a massive list form. So what I've actually got here is I've got the code that you need to put in. And I will actually put this down in the comments below so you can just copy and paste it straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this first of all. We're just going to right click on our desktop and we're going to go to new folder, and we're just going to paste that code that we just copied, and we're going to hit enter. And as you notice, the icon immediately changes, the same icon that actually control panel has, and it also changes itself to God mode. So if we actually open this now, you'll notice that it actually has a massive list of all the different features and all the different things that you can actually access through control panel. And it's a really useful way of finding out. So let's say we want to go to networking. All we do is just go to the N, and that's the networking. So that's all the options for networking that we'd have. If you want the notification area icons for these, the taskbar, you can just go here. Parental controls, performance tools, personalization, as if you just right click on the desktop, as you could see in our other videos on how to change desktop pictures, etc., colors and themes. So really it just is a really easy way of looking at everything. So it is actually quite a useful thing. So the next thing I want to show you is how to create sort of like the old school taskbar that you used to have. So let's say, have you ever been in a situation where you kind of moved from XP to Windows 7 and you missed the sort of long tabs that you used to have for, let's say, your Internet Explorer or any programs that you had, rather than having little icons. So not only does it make it easier to see longer tabs, but also it's easier to navigate because obviously you have more surface area to click on, so it's easier to click on them. So how do we do that? We right click on the taskbar and we go to properties, and the taskbar buttons we want to never combine. So never combine, apply, and OK. And as you can see, it actually did make that elongated. So let me just open up Internet Explorer, and I'll just open up another one. And I'll just open up another one and carry on. And as you can see, whichever programs that you open, you actually get the old school tabs that we used to have back in the day of all the old different windows. Okay, so how do you launch something multiple times? So in Windows 7, you can actually hold down the Shift key and click on the program, and it should open another instance of the program. So for example, if I want to open up another page for Windows Explorer through my icon, if I hit it once, that's fine, I get my web page. But if I want another one, if I hold down the Shift and I click again, it will open up another one, and again, and again, and again. So basically it just opens up another instance. So if I wanted to do the same thing for the libraries, I can do that for that as well. So files and folders work equally as well. So it's quite useful. Not all programs will do this, but majority of the programs will be able to do this. Okay, so that was just a quick tips and tweaks video for you. I hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to check out our website at ektatech.co.uk/blog for more information on products that we sell and also the tutorials. Thank you very much, and until next time, goodbye.